Affirmations are positive statements relating to what you want to manifest in your life. Think of them as your wish list to the universe. When you put them into your subconsciousness and meditate on them, they help attract the things you want, so they can then manifest themselves into your life. Affirmations can be used to boost motivation and confidence, help you control your emotions, inspire you to reach your goals, and overcome negative thoughts by transforming them into positive ones. When trying to manifest your desires, you may initially have some contradictory thoughts or beliefs. Eliminate those by creating positive statements that are opposite of the negative. Limiting beliefs will block your manifestation, so repetition, consistency, and meditating on your affirmations is very important until your brain is retrained to align with your desires. But the good thing is, they can easily be repeated on your way to work, while you're cooking, or even shopping. For good practice, keep a journal to record your success journey. Choose 3 to 5 affirmations to focus on at one time, instead of a long list. When you have achieved those manifestations, or when you feel like you've elevated to that automatic positive mindset, then you can implement another set of affirmations. You want to repeat them in the present tense, as if they've already happened. Put energy into these affirmations by thinking about them with emotion. Energy is magnetic. Make sure they are clear and concise, such as, "My business will generate enough income to quit my job in 6 months." Visualize this by attaching a mental image to each statement. You want to see it happening in your mind over and over again. It's also helpful to create a vision board at home and or at work to look at every day. Saving images in your phone that relate to your affirmations can be convenient as well. Guidelines for writing affirmations. Create positive statements that you believe in. Be specific and use present tense. Include gratitude and emotions. Avoid the words need, want, and will. Replace them with I am and I have. Repeat affirmations at least 5 times when you wake up and right before you fall asleep at night. Write them in your journal at least once per day. Repeat daily affirmations all day long. Here are some examples of positive affirmations. I am successful. I am confident. I am strong. I have more than enough money to support my family. I am living the lifestyle of my dreams. My business will allow me to quit my job by the end of the year. Remember, affirmations may not produce results overnight. They work over time in changing your way of thinking and increasing your positive energy in order to attract that matching energy. Have you tried using affirmations to manifest your dream yet? Have they been effective in shifting your mindset? Tell me about it in the comments below. Please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell so you can keep receiving positive motivation. Thanks for watching.